Man, these jalapeno poppers are poppin'. Stick around and I'll show you how to make them in less than 5 minutes.
Indeed, preparation time for this recipe is less than 5 minutes. First things first, for this recipe I'm using 5 jalapenos, slice them in half and using a spoon, remove the ribs and the seeds. Next up, I'm using mozzarella cheese, but hey, if you wish you could use any other cheese. And of course some cream cheese, you add the two, and here's the mixture of cream cheese and mozzarella cheese. Next up, what I do is add the filling to the sliced jalapeno. I like to be really generous with the filling. Coat it nicely all the way to the top, like so. And there you have it, beautiful jalapenos waiting for the next step, which is the air fryer. And of course I'm using an air fryer, but hey, you could also use a conventional oven. The air fryer settings are temperature wise 370 Fahrenheit. Cook time 6 minutes. Not long to wait, eh? After cook time, there you have it. Beautiful golden brown layers of deliciousness. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. And also notice, using an air fryer, look how well that jalapeno skin is roasted. That's one of the best parts. An explosion of flavors. Total preparation time, including the cook time, less than 11 minutes. Enjoy.